Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Appreciate it. What's good, YouTube? It's your boy 5-Star Felipe. Back at y'all with another video. Before we get too far into today's video, like, comment, subscribe. Y'all don't understand how much that helps the channel. I'm just trying to grow it, bro. I know it's corny, cliche. Y'all probably get tired of hearing it. But I'm so close to my goal, bro. But enough of that. Today's video, as you can tell by the title, is a Glock 21 disassembly video. Me personally, I like the Glock 21 a lot. It's a big gun. It's a powerful gun. It's a strong gun. I like it. But, in my opinion, and I'm going to just keep it real with y'all, my humble opinion, can't beat the Glock 19. I'm going to just keep it real with y'all. I really haven't found a gun yet that really can compete with the Glock 19. In my opinion, for me, it's just a perfect gun all around. From the way that it fits, to the way that it shoots, to the way that it looks. It's a perfect gun. But this is a Glock 21 video. So, in order to disassemble a Glock 21, you first need to have a Glock 21. Now, I will keep this very transparent with y'all. If you have a Glock of any sort, you can do it the exact same way I'm about to do this Glock 21. This ain't a cleaning video. I'm just kind of brushing on my opinion on the Glock 21, and B, disassembling the Glock 21. Then I'll put it back together for y'all. First, my opinions on it. Like I said, it's a big, strong, loud gun. I like it. It's kind of heavy. I have a drum for it. I don't feel like trying to search for it, but that makes it even heavier. But it shoots just like any other Glock, you know. I can't say, oh, this, that, and the third. And I'm also not one of the guys that's just going to give you the exact numbers on the details. That's not me. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, it's a cool gun. I like it. I fuck with it. I recommend you get a gun if you don't have a gun. I'm going to just keep it real with you. But yeah, the Glock 21, it's a big gun. You know what I'm saying? Pretty big. Feel me? Glock 21. The thing about me, I'm going to keep it real with y'all. I like Gen 5s. 5-Star Felipe. Gen 5s, I don't know any Gen 4s. I would like to eventually, but first, I need to get all the ones that I want in Gen 5 first. But hey, it is what it is, you know? Takes 40 Smith & Wesson. I've really been eyeing the Glock 20, like 10 mil, the big brother. I definitely would love to have the two just to kind of compare, you see what I'm saying? And then I would like to get a 40 Smith & Wesson as well of some sort. But like I said, takes 45, 45, I'm tripping. Excuse me. See what I'm saying? 45, pretty big. Bigger than your average 9 if you know. See what I'm saying? Most people don't carry 45. Most people don't carry 10 mils. There are people out there, believe it or not, that are carrying 5.7. See what I'm saying? But back to the 21. Here it is, one more time. Before the disassembly. It's not loaded, but I definitely have one. I mean, it's not loaded, but there is obviously a clip in it, as I was saying. See what I'm saying? Just the average 13. That's how I keep it. Official Glock mag. Y'all can see that. Hold on. There we go. Type shit. See what I'm saying? Gun is empty. See what I'm saying? Very empty. First, you want to rack it just to make sure that it's empty. That's what I'm saying. Peekaboo, I see you. Part 2. See what I'm saying? It's a big gun. For me, at least. I'm a little dude. Little hands. See what I'm saying? Small frame. I can't help it. See what I'm saying? One day, I might do a video where I'm cleaning the gun, you know what I'm saying? And it is the MOS, see what I'm saying? Just don't have an optic for it yet. Don't know what optic or sight I want to get. I slick want to change the barrel too, just a little bit. I like the threaded barrels. That's just what I like, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, to the disassembly. Gotta clear it. Don't kill me for pointing it up. I'm upstairs. There's nobody above me, you see what I'm saying? Now, what you want to do, we'll grab the gun like this. You want to slide it back just a little bit so. These right here, you want to grab those. And you want to pull them down simultaneously. And that'll just slide right off. As so. So I'm saying, let me put that down carefully. So I'm saying. It's the frame right here. All the insides. All the, you know, goodies, etc. Glock 21 frame. It's the Glock 21 slide. So I'm saying. Glock 21 side. Glock 21 Gen 5. Off the insides. Gun's pretty dirty. We ain't worried about that right now. Take that out. You just want to be careful with everything. There's the barrel. Slide. The spring. The gun. Now you can change the barrel, you can clean the insides, etc. Whatever you want to do. You feel what I'm saying? Glock 21, 45 auto, slide, spring, and the barrel. Now we're gonna put it back together. Again, just want to be careful with everything. Barrel's back in the gun, firearm, whatever you want to call it. Spring is back in place. Barrel is back in place. This is always the hardest part for me, connecting the two back together. Like I said, normally this is always pretty tricky for me. But if you've made it this far to the video for the kid, like, comment, subscribe for me, please. It's your boy 5-Star Felipe. I definitely appreciate y'all. Gen 5 Glock 21 disassembly plus the reassembly plus the opinion. I appreciate y'all for watching. I'm back, finally. But got it in there. Told y'all I wasn't a rookie. Cocks, shoots, Glock 21, Disassembly. It's your boy 5-Star Felipe. Appreciate y'all for watching. Make sure you like, make sure you comment, make sure you subscribe. I'm on the way to 1,000 subs. Help your boy out. I'll be back at y'all when I'm back at y'all in the next video. Gone.